Yo, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Mr. DROZARIO, here to show y'all the raw, the real, and everything to do with trading, the emotion, psychology. I'm doing a journey to passing a 50K Apex funded account, and I want y'all to be a part of it. I've been away for the past 2 days. I've been busy. I'm also a content creator, so me and wifey run a content creator business, so we are busy most of the time doing campaigns. So I have not been on the charts. I wasn't on there yesterday. I didn't record a video for you guys Tuesday, but I did get another winner on Tuesday. So now I am a winner on Monday, a winner on Tuesday, and I'm just trying to keep it conservative, slowly maybe up my risk. But I'm only 2 trades in on the week, and they're both winners. So I am now up. Yeah, the screen. So we are up about 600 right now on the funded account. Profit target is 3,000. So I got to get 53,000 to pass. And right now it's looking good. I am expecting a loss eventually. So I'm trying to keep my risk managed very good. But let's get into the recap of the trade that I took on Tuesday. So once again, wifey was on her lives. I was doing tech duties and daddy duties. So I was in and out of the market watching it, but I knew what I wanted to look for. So let's start it from scratch here. All right, the day is Tuesday. It was Tuesday, September 9th, right? So, okay, so let's go to the higher time frames here. And let's see what Tuesday, September 9th was saying. Okay, so because this is 6, that's 10. All right, let's use this. I know it might look a little confusing, but these are just support and resistant lines here. Okay, so get into the day, man. So let's say September 9th, 6 o'clock in the morning. So all of these candles I wasn't seeing, right? So I was looking at the day. I was just based on the market structure. I know it's a little ugly, but if we go here, back up there, back here, right? This is already kind of looking like this is bullish. This is bullish structure right here. Because I still think we're gonna create a new high, right? So I've been bullish, but you know, it all depends on what opportunities show for the day. All right, so this was what I was seeing. So I was looking for a buy, right? We have all this trend line liquidity that we seem to only take at that point. We only took these equal highs here, right? But I still think we're gonna take out these. Well, based on today is Thursday, September 11th, and it looked like we took out these highs here already. So I think the next one is definitely the last high, is the high, all right, the ultimate high. Okay, so let's get into the trade and see what we was looking for. Let me go back to the 4-hour and see. Yeah, see, we respected this 4-hour gap here, right? So even seeing that from a few days ago, I was like, yeah, we're still bullish. We're still bullish. Based on fractal structure, we are bearish right now, but still, you know, if we go to the daily, we are still very much bullish on the daily. So until like I see this line get broken completely, I'd say we're still bearish. But that doesn't mean you can't catch sells on the internal structure, which if you're scalping, that's what you usually be doing. So let's get down to the smaller frames here. Let's get back to Tuesday here. I'm gonna get back to the Tuesday, September 9th. Okay, so let's move this now to where market opened. All right, so boom, market opens. Market opens right. I'm gonna have to read some of these lines here for you guys because I already took them out. So I use the trading sessions, and what I do here is I will mark out previous day highs and lows. So at this point, we had the London low here, right? We had Asia low here. I'm gonna redraw them in for you guys so we can see exactly what I was looking at, right? We had the London low here, right? And we had the previous days. Let me draw the previous days. So those were the previous day highs and lows. We had Asia high swept during London. We didn't sweep the previous day high during London. Created a London low here, all right? Okay, so this is what let's get rid of that. This is what I was looking at on the day here, okay? So just pretend this is not here. All right. Let's zoom in a little more here. Okay, so as we can see here, market opens. This line here is the market open that I drew here for you. All right, let's do it. Market open, market opens, comes, takes London's low, it takes Asia low, and then it proceeds to take the previous day low by oh wait, we're not even the right day here. Where are we? Yes, right here. So we took out the London low, took out the Asia low, right? Maybe I need to get a little more in here just so we can see it exactly what I was looking at. Okay, Tuesday, here we go. Okay, so market opens, we come down, we take out the Asia low, London low, and then we also hit my support line, right? And I don't know, for the past 2 weeks, guys, I've just been believing in my support lines I've been drawing. I haven't been a support and resistant trader, but I have been drawing some accurate support and resistant lines. So it hit my support and resistant line, and right away, if you see here, low, hold on. If you see here, this low, this high here broke, right? This high, this high created this low right here, right? This high created this low right here. Let me make these black for you guys so you guys can see. All right, so if we're drawing the market structure here, right? So let's even do it here, right? So we got a low, a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high. So this is when the market shifts here. Now we got a lower low, a lower high, lower low, a lower high, broke again to make a lower low, then we broke that. That's a market structure shift right there, right? So I didn't really place this one off an inverted fair value gap. There might have actually been a 2-minute one. I don't have the 2-minute time frame, but this kind of looks like there could have been a 2-minute fair value gap there. I based it off, we swept London, we swept Asia, tapped into my line, market structure shift. I entered my trade right here on the candle close. It actually went into drawdown a little bit, and then boom, hit my target. I was targeting these up here, this little trend line here. But I noticed obviously we took out this one, and then this one is the one that these ones got left behind. But I closed out here. I didn't even have a chance to move any TPs or anything. Like it literally just smacked TP. I didn't even, because I'm still trying to figure out too how I can extend my TP. Like let's say after my take profit hits, right? I still have my TP extended a little bit so I can move my stop loss up, protect the capital, and still make the extras that maybe extends past your TP. So I'm still trying to gauge that too. But yeah, I thought it was a good trade. It was a 1 to 1.52, still good. Profit is profit. And I up on my funded account, which I got to give myself a pat on the back for. Yes, let's get it. Today, I don't know what's on today. I might be on the charts today. Let's see. So we had 8:30. Oh, already 8:30. We got a massive drop here. So let me show you guys how I'm gonna set up for today, right? I'm gonna draw in my session thing here. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna draw out the highs and the lows. Previous day highs, lows, boom, right? Lows. Let me delete these. Don't need these anymore. Do not need those anymore. We're gonna draw Asia low, which has already been taken out on pre-market. The high has already been taken out by London. The London low has been taken out too. Okay, so we could bullish for the day for sure. The higher time frames here again. Just giving you guys a little scope on how I look at the market. Let's take off the trading sessions. Okay, so let me go to the 1 hour. You see the bullish structure. We are, since this, boom, 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 here, boom. Once again, still creating perfect market structure, as you can see there. Perfect market structure. Might look confusing to you guys, but when you start to learn it a little bit, you start to notice higher highs, lower lows, lower highs, whatever, right? So probably gonna be bullish on the day. I'm looking to grab this high. It could be going for the highs. Maybe it grabs the previous low, but this is the fractal low right now, and this is the fractal high. So, which is the previous day low and the previous day low, previous day high, basically. So, like I think this is still gonna go up to create a new higher high based on market structure here. Yeah, I would probably wait for this to break. Like I said, I even said on the other time frame, I'd probably wait for this to break to look for shorts. Let me see. 30-minute is bearish, 15 minutes bearish, 5 minutes bearish. But we can just break this and yeah. Just gonna watch it for now. Pre-market just opened. This 1 minute gap here. Just keep an eye out on that. Let's see. Respecting a gap there. Let's see. Yeah, we're in a gap now. So if we can, he's been tested a few times too. So yeah, if we break these, we're flying still. I truly believe. If we can get a closure above this, I believe we'll get a closure above this one too. Yeah, we're just gonna keep an eye on the market, see what's going on today. I do believe we are bullish. We just drew for a lot of liquidity down here. Let's see, is there any news today? Let's see. I'm just gonna check to see if there's what news is today. Oh yeah, that was the news. Unemployment claims and CPI. Okay, so there's no news for the rest of the day. That's cool. So this was the news we got. Let's see what the previous actual unemployment claims. So is that bad? Okay. So yeah, we're gonna keep an eye out on this market here, because this could liquidity sweep there. It's a news low too. So you know what? Yeah, and it's a news low and a news high. High draws on liquidity. So if I see moves to either side, I'm gonna take them. 15-minute, 15-minute, right? We respected the minute though. 5-minute, we crushed it. That's a little confusing there. This is why you don't make any impulses. Just wait. So Asia high, Asia low, London high. They already got swept. It's just the previous day lows and highs that I would be targeting, or possibly targeting for the direction. Yeah. Let's see what we get here. Looks like we're bursting through it already, to be honest. Well, I was only on here to do a recap for you guys. We're not gonna go through the pre-market. Maybe I'll do that next week. But yeah, that was the winning trade I caught on Tuesday. We are now up still on the funded account, up $600 or so. So I don't know some type of good luck thing we doing here, showing the journey, helping me out, keeping me focused. I don't know what it is, but I hope y'all like, subscribe, comment, criticize me, tell me what mistakes I could be making, tell me some other stuff I could be looking out for. I want to hear it all, man. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Yuppers!